Hello guys, and welcome back to Guide with Samuel. And in this short guide, I will show you how to quickly add a checklist in your Notion on your computer. First, open the Notion page where you want the checklist to appear. Place your cursor at the spot you like to add it. Next, type a / to open the block menu. From the list, click on To-Do List. This instantly adds a checklist block to your page. Now, type your first task and press enter to create the next checkbox. You can keep adding as many items as you need. If you need to reorder tasks, simply click and drag the handle next to each item to move it up or down. Once you're done, you can tick off each box by clicking inside it. Perfect for tracking progress and staying organized. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.